And so I'm going to show you the fastest way to create a presentation. In fact, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation with just 3 keys. Yep, just 3 keys on your keyboard, plus of course the keys you need to type your presentation in. But I'm not going to use the normal view. I'm going to use a different view, the one that PowerPoint doesn't really want you to use, and I don't know why. It's really the best way to create a presentation. I'm going to click on the View menu, which changes my ribbon, and you'll see there are many views over here. I'm going to click on the second one, which is called Outline View. 3 keys. And the 3 keys you'll be using are the Enter or Return key, the Tab key, and the Shift key. All right. Now, to save myself embarrassment, I'm just going to paste it in rather than type because I'm a very poor typist. It shows up in my pane, but also in the slide typing. By pressing Return, I get a new slide. So your first key, Return or Enter. If your cursor is at the end of a line and you press Enter, you get a new line. In this case, it's a new slide. And this is where we're going to use our second key. So by pressing the Tab key, you can see that what happens is PowerPoint indents that line. Now it's a bullet point on the same slide, as it's harder to sell these days. See how that works? So here's a quiz. If I press Enter right now, what will I get? A new slide or a new bullet? You're right, because this line is a bullet line. When I press the Enter or Return key, the next line is also a bullet. I don't want that to be a bullet, I want it to be a slide. So we've talked about Enter, we've talked about Tab. If I hold the Shift key down while I press Tab, watch what happens. See that? Shift Tab outdents. It takes what was indented and outdents it. So in this case, it was a bullet. Now it becomes a slide. And that's how you use 3 keys to make a presentation.